This is Ans Prajapati and you're watching Sis the Day with Ansh. And today we are planning to some trip in the South India, and the trip will be somehow different. Another trip. Like in the South India, we have explored on the beaches, temples and all. But this time it's gonna be complete different. Can you guess? Hill station. Yes guys, correct. This time I'm gonna visit a very good place in South India, especially in Tamilnadu. The name is Yercaud, and it is completely hill stations. We will go there, we will check how is the climate. I will tell you one step by step how to reach there, how's the climate is there, like that. And this is completely, we are gonna budget trip. So I'm from I will start from Chennai Pune, and I will go from here to that location. First I will start from Chennai, and Chennai to I will go Salem by bus, and again I will change Salem to Yercaud, another bus. Okay, so in Yercaud there are so many places to visit. So once we reach there, then I will tell you step by step which I'm gonna explore first, which I'm gonna explore second. So you have to stay tuned my channel. The name is Sis the Day with Ansh, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Guys, you can see I have completed my packing as well. So it's time to leaving from my room, and now we are going to our location. The name is Yercaud. Right guys, so just now I'm leaving from my room, and actually I'm gonna be very excited for this journey because you know, in South India, Tamil Nadu, you can see only most of the beaches only. So here finding hill station, it's a, you know, it's a very exciting and very amazing. So that's why I'm very excited for this trip. And finding what do you call, finding a hill station in Tamil Nadu, so it's a very rare chance. So that's why I'm very excited for this trip. Okay, see you there. Okay, we'll see and how's gonna be the station. All right. I'm in Yercaud now, and now I'm going towards my first viewpoint, and the name is Pagoda viewpoint. Yeah, no, it's not a pagoda, it's a pagoda viewpoint. So I'm on my way. You can see the background. Literally it was amazing. So I decided I will walk because it's been a long time, and everyone from my followers knows I'm from mountains. I'm from hill station Uttarakhand, so I love walking. And also it's a morning time, the climate condition is chill, so I decided I will walk because it is like 1.5 kilometers away from the bus stop. But it's been a long time I didn't walk much, so like I'm feeling little bit tired, but not at all. We are going, I'll show you the pagoda viewpoint. After that we will visit other places also, like I'll show you in the video. You can see this is the coffee plant. See these green color seeds, it's a coffee seeds. Hope you can see. There's so many coffee seeds. Plant is there. You can see this is a full coffee seeds plant. Is now I'm going towards Keliyur waterfall. So we'll see how is the waterfall. Now we have visited two places. One is Pagoda Point View. Pagoda Point View, and second is the lake. Now third point we are going to see the waterfalls. How it looks.